jump right here.
Point! Yeah! There!
Turn me with the motor.
Yep, I am right now. Hang on. Point! Woohoo! Point! It might. Yeah, that's a good one. Going great with the bow! There you go. Perfect. Perfect, man! Point! There you go. Dip it. Nope, I didn't think so. Oh, that's epic! You get that? I hope so. Might be bigger. And what? Oh, this is a bigger one.
Turn them right.
Yep, pick up, reel down.
I got the leader not to the top guy.
You're fine, yeah, you're turning him. That's all I'm wanting right now. Pull him left. See how you're getting him turned?
Yeah.
That wears them out so quick. Crank down. Lift up, out, and right.
Oh my God, that thing's amazing.
That one's bigger than the last one. Leader touches the guides of the boat or your hand. It's a top 10 point. Yeah! God, that's freaking epic.
God,
You feel like a little kid, man. Left.
That thing is huge.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Behemoth.
Get him. Hold him tight. Do not let go. I'm going to measure him too.